If you're looking to stop recurring charges on PayPal, this guide will walk you through the necessary steps to manage and cancel your subscriptions effectively. Step 1. Log into your PayPal account. Visit the PayPal website or open the PayPal app and log in with your credentials. Ensure you have access to the account where the recurring charges are set up. Step 2. Navigate to Settings. Once logged in, find the gear icon or Settings option, usually located in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on it to access your account settings. Step 3. Access Payments. In the Settings menu, look for the Payments tab. Click on it to view your payment preferences and manage your automatic payments. Step 4. Manage Automatic Payments. Under the Payments section, find the option labeled Manage Automatic Payments or Manage Pre-approved Payments. Click on it to see a list of all active subscriptions and recurring payments linked to your account. Step 5. Cancel the subscription. Locate the subscription you wish to cancel from the list. Click on it, and you should see an option to cancel or stop payment. Confirm your choice to stop the recurring charges. By following these steps, you can successfully stop any unwanted recurring charges on your PayPal account. If you have any further questions or need assistance, consider reaching out to PayPal's customer support for help.